Well, hello everyone. It is Monday, February 3rd, 2025, and I am so excited. Like, things worked out really good as far as from the previous video from yesterday. As far as hitting those support areas that I mentioned in several charts. Um, and so the first one we're looking at is Orca. This is the one that I was talking about. I was waiting for it to, let me go to the daily so you can see what I'm talking about. So I was waiting for it to hit this blue area, and the first level of support was right here where it's shaded in green. And then the second level, if it was to pass out of here, would be here. So I was able to catch right above here. And let's go to, now we can go down. Right, so basically right here I had a limit order set right above here, but right above here. So it ended up being so far 24.89%. If it goes below, if it comes out of here, well, I'm not completely out of the trade. I'm gonna see if it comes off of this trend line that I have right here, going this gray trend line right here. If it comes out of here, then I'm out of the trade. So I just right now it's at what, around about 22 to 24%. So we're gonna see if it comes out of here. If it comes out of here, I'll just have to kind of like keep an eye on where it hits. I'm hoping that it hits maybe just a little bit past the 50% area line of support, fib level. But I'm hoping that when it comes out, I can at least catch 20%, which is fabulous, right? So our goal is 5%, right, per day. So that would cover like 4 days of trading, right? And then maybe hopefully tomorrow we can get in another one. So we'll be definitely at well above our daily target, and I'm gonna just look at where I feel like so it did pass the 50% level, which is usually resistance, and above the 61%. Let's see how it reacts to this level of 78%, or if it can make it up to there. I think the first level of resistance would be right here at the 100%, like major resistance. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and put in resistance area, so I'll know. So if I'm on my phone, it's easier to see. It's easier to see when I mark things out. All right, so we can make it up to here. We're looking at 41% gain. So hopefully we can make it up to there. What I might do, instead of I might have my stop right below this candle right here, just in case, which still is close to 20%, about 18%, which is fine. That's just for 1 day though, right? So, but if we can keep making our way up, hope we can get up to at least about 40% right above here. So I would do it like a little bit below that resistance area, if it can make it up there. Okay, so that's Orca. And then let's look at Bitcoin, what it did. So I was talking about this in the last video, how it came out of that parallel, that trend line here, and I said this was the next area of support. And so it was able to hit at the 78% level pretty much and bounce back up. This would be, I would consider this to be like this trend line right here to be somewhat of a resistance area. Looks like it's kind of acting like that right now. So that's why I'm gonna leave that trend line there and see if we are gonna surpass that resistance, or is that resistance gonna knock us back down. So that's pretty much, let's look at a couple other ones. XRP, same deal, it hit this support area, made a bounce off of here. I can get rid of this. All right, so let's see its next area. Let's go ahead and do a little minor fib on this one. Let's see. 78, 61. Let me make this smaller real quick. And I don't like yellow. All right, so, and I probably could add another trend line, but I'm gonna just go by the fib levels for this one. Let's see if we come out of this 78%. So I'll probably put an alert right here and an alert below the 50% level for XRP. And at the percent gain, if you had to trade it off of that support to where it's at right now, it's like 30%. Like, that was a good deal. I wish I had did XRP. but I didn't. I still feel good about where I'm in right now. So 32% for XRP for the gain. And then what was the other one? Arc Block. Let's see. So Arc Block, right, it basically did the same thing. It hit that support area that I had marked out in this green. So if you did right a little bit above that support area as far as a limit order for a buy, and so far that would lead to which is still not bad, 16%, and that's so far. I think it might have a little bit more to go, so we'll see. And that's pretty much it. So I'm not gonna update the spreadsheet until I come out of the trade and see how far it goes, or is it gonna come out of it tonight. So that will do it for today's update, and let me know if you have any questions, because I just kind of like show where we are and like those support areas. I might just do a video on, like, I try to do that when I'm doing as I go, like how I draw my trend lines and support areas and fib levels, because that's really all I go by. And as to where to enter, and just keep the rule of never buy in resistance area and always buy in a support area that has made a bounce, especially on the higher time frame, even if you're trading daily. Like I still go by the higher time frame, and then I go down to the lower time frames to get more clarity as far as my entry point. So, and my exit point. So, that will do it. Thank you guys. Didn't take long. So let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.